First tonight, Rhode Island is now reporting its first 2 coronavirus-related deaths. State health officials say the 2 people were in their 70s and 80s and had underlying medical conditions. Here's a look at the latest numbers. In Rhode Island, there were 36 new cases today, bringing the total to 239. 29 are hospitalized. Massachusetts reporting more than 4,200 cases tonight, including 179 in Bristol County. 44 people have died from the virus in the Bay State. Nationwide, Johns Hopkins reports there are more than 122,000 cases and more than 2,100 people have died. The first deaths here in Rhode Island are prompting Governor Gina Raimondo to increase restrictions on residents, including a stay-at-home order. Eyewitness News reporter Anita Buffoni has been tracking today's developments and joins us now with the details. Anita?
Well, one of the new sweeping restrictions by Governor Gina Raimondo includes closing all non-critical retail businesses starting Monday. That includes bookstores, clothing stores, and car dealerships, all set to close until April 13th. Governor Gina Raimondo says it's a decision she has been avoiding, closing non-critical retail businesses.
It's a tough one because I'm trying to maintain a semblance of an economy for as long as possible while we get through this.
Businesses classified as critical include food, pet, and liquor stores, banks, and pharmacies. But for businesses like bookstores, they will be forced to close down on Monday until April 13th.
It was just devastating news to hear that we were shutting down. Stephen
Porter owns Stillwater Books in Pawtucket.
I like to think books are essential. I'm sure a lot of people do. I understand, you got to draw a line somewhere, but this just seemed arbitrary.
Stillwater Books started offering curbside pickup during this pandemic, but now reluctantly they will follow the governor's orders and close.
It was too quick a reaction. I think we needed to wait. I think we needed to figure out ways to keep these stores open.
Also Saturday, Governor Raimondo issuing a stay-at-home order requiring Rhode Islanders to not leave their houses unless traveling for essential purposes like getting food or medicine. Gatherings of 5 people or more are also banned. Raimondo says only about 50% of Rhode Islanders are complying with social distancing guidelines.
I need every single Rhode Islander cooperating with the orders that I am giving to keep us safe and to keep us healthy.
As for travelers, Raimondo is now mandating anyone coming to Rhode Island from any other state for non-work related purposes must self-quarantine for 14 days. This will not apply to public health, public safety, or healthcare workers. Department of Health Director Dr. Nicole Alexander Scott says if you're feeling any symptoms, self-quarantining is critical.
So we know it's not easy, but effective quarantining means staying inside and letting someone else do those essential services for you.
Now, a big question on everyone's mind is what will happen with public schools? Will distance learning be extended? The governor is expected to make an announcement regarding schools on Monday. I'm Anita Buffoni, Eyewitness News.